All right, let me level with you here. Today we're talking about the Best Choice Products Lawn Leveling Rake. So if you're looking to get a golf course style lawn, this is the secret. So we're gonna go through a few of the mistakes that beginners will encounter while using a lawn leveler. One of the biggest one is using the right material. The right soil is really going to affect how your lawn grows and how evenly it levels out. So a 30-inch head's actually gonna help you cover more ground with fewer passes and leave you with more time for the weekend. So the next thing is seeding after you level. So you're gonna basically want to just seed your lawn after you use one of these. Seed for your lawn does not need to be embedded too deep into the soil. It just needs to be lightly pressed for it to grow. So leveling at the wrong time or the right time is a huge mistake a lot of beginners make. If you notice that you're having to mow your grass a little more frequently, that's a great time to level your lawn. This is made of all steel and a great sturdy construction that's gonna last season after season. One big mistake a lot of people will make, fertilizing after they level their lawn. You wanna fertilize before you level your lawn for the best results. So we hope you picked up a few tips and tricks along the way, and check out more at bestchoiceproducts.com. We'll catch you next time.